Hi everyone, in front of me I've got WACOM MovinkPad 11 and let me share with you how to check for the software updates on this device. So first of all, make sure that you've got the internet connection, it is required, and then let's go to the settings. Here in this left section we have to scroll down to the very bottom to find the option System, and then let's tap on System Update. And now your device will basically check for the updates, and you can meet two different scenarios. This is the first one where your software is up to date and there's nothing to download. Of course, you can tap on check for update and your device will again check for it for the new software version. And the second scenario is where your device will actually find the update. It will show you the information about it, what has been fixed, what has been added, and then you will be able to tap on download or install and apply the update, and this download or install button should appear somewhere here. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. Please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.